In celebration of its 10th anniversary, Bethany Hospital Outreach Nongpo organized a 5-kilometer and 10-kilometer run today, featuring various age categories. Nongpo MLA Miralbon's EM served as a chief guest, joined by Kamoin, Walang and Darishisha Yangju as marathon ambassadors. The event, attended by doctors, nurses and hospital staff, saw hundreds of participants including men, women, children and seniors. The marathon route stretched from Bethany Hospital to Marngar and back. Cash prizes were awarded to the winners.
Obligé jarmu yagi kesen ke jompi pa jompi ada uble ulai bet pensim no i rondre kijing pos new ki idon matni hadu mentah menba kene kijing sekri menba jong kene kan hospital ke bangidon ni to congratulate ye hi ada tim paro kawe jong ka Bethany hospital ni ju ke tim selok kijing sekri jompi ban ni kipok ke yang ye borok participant ki balwan kene ke step di next camp pagandeng jing simenta jang pi lengba jang marathon ke step. May the best person win.